Napatid natin ang malawakang problema na naidulot ng kakulangan ng prime water. Mas dumami ang mga joint venture agreements ng prime water taong 2019, panahon na nakaraang administrasyon, at numai-attach ito sa DPWH na noon ay pinamumunuan ni Secretary Mark Villar. So ibibigay po ni Admin Jose Moises Salonga ang mga naimbestigahan patungkol po dito.
Good morning po.
Good morning, sir.
Katulad ng sinabi ni Yusek Claire, natapos na po kami sa investigation namin, ang initial investigation namin regarding sa mga complaints against prime water concessions, water joint venture agreements. Nabigay po namin ang aming recommendations, findings, and the ways forward kung paano natin matatapos itong issues na to. Ang importanteng tandaan sa investigation na to at naging focus ng pag-uusap namin kanina, it's not about finger pointing or blaming. The issue there is how do we put water in those people's pipes? Paano tayo magpaparating ng tubig sa kanila? Kasi the finger pointing can follow. The issue now is where do we get the water and how do we deliver it to them? Natapos naman po, matagal, I think exhaustive naman. All avenues are open, pinag-usapan lahat ng recommendations, and I think in a few, konting oras na lang, we will be able to execute ang ating mandate to deliver water sa mga apektadong water districts.
First question, sir. Lian Buwan, Rappler.
Good afternoon, sir. Sir, pwedeng pa-expound lang yung sinabi ni Yusek na attached to the DPWH, ano po yung attachment? And my actual question was, kasama ba sa scope of investigation, how these JVAs came about? Because many of them are unsolicited. The things I heard on the ground, they're saying, there are serious accusations of irregularity kung bakit napirmahan. Nagkaroon po ba yun ng contract review? Bakit hindi na-flag ka agad? Seeing that successive audit reports flag disadvantageous clauses.
We have also provided historical context on how these joint ventures came to be, no, including those things na yung possible issues on our board of directors. No, those things nalagay namin, and we have made it known to the people who were making. Kasi technically yung appointments niyan, meron pa nagre-review previously pa, before our time. So paano nakalusot yun regarding possible issues, kung paano na pamunuan to, kailan ba dumami, nabigay namin. And there's been a report. The report actually mentions something about that. As with your comment na there are irregularities on the ground, that has also been addressed in the report, and the people concerned have been put on notice that this should be considered and most likely reformed and corrected within the next few days once we act.
Sir, yung DPWH lang, paki-expound.
Kasi po, there was a time when LUA was as an attached agency of DPWH, na possible conflict yun sa mga namumuno doon in LUA. So let us just expound it when the time comes.
Thank you. Okay, one last question.
Sir, you said you want to focus on the ways forward,
Yes.
how you get. Kasama po ba dito sa pag-terminate na ng mga prime water JVAs? I understand, mahabang proseso to, may arbitration. Will you terminate or iko-compel niyo yung prime water na mag-provide?
Kasama yan sa strategies namin. Termination, compulsion, will not put water there. We're here to act first, finger point later. Yun ang gagawin namin.
Thank you, Lian. Ma'am Claire. Tristan Nodalo, News Watch.
Hi, sir. So, sabi niyo, sir, in a few hours, pwede nang magkaroon ng tubig. Ano-anong mga areas, sir?
Hindi naman in a few hours. Bigyan mo lang kami ng oras. Napakabilis nila.
Okay.
Utility
Sige, sir.
scale po tayo.
Okay, sir. But anong mga areas po ang priority na magkaroon ng water supply?
Ang unang titingnan natin yung mga water districts na gustong kumalas yung maiingay na yun. Ngayon, medyo politically charged yan issues niyan kanino. Magkakaroon kami ng matrix kung alin ang ano. It's also a matter of logistics, 'di ba? Saan available ang assets namin na madi-deliver kagad. So, we can inform you of the schedule, alin ang uunahin, at ayaw rin namin magkatampuhan sino inuna, sino hindi. No, kung kaya naming sabay-sabayan, of course we'll do that.